A strong magnitude 4.8 earthquake occurred in the Andaman Sea near Pulau Island, Indonesia, in the morning of Friday, July 4, 2025 at 11:39 a.m. local time, GMT+6. The depth of the quake could not be determined, but is assumed to be shallow. The quake was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, BMKG after 3 minutes. The earthquake occurred 6 minutes after a magnitude 5.3 earthquake had hit on Friday, July 4, 2025, at 12:33 p.m. local time, Asia, Pontianak GMT+7, in 11.4 kilometers, 7 miles, distance to the northeast. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.